Scene script. Have you ever wondered what would happen if life took an unexpected turn? How well are you prepared financially for such surprises? Just like we prepare for life's joys, it's equally important to be ready for its uncertainties. The unpredictable nature of life makes it crucial to have a financial safety net in place, and that's where insurance planning comes into play. Insurance planning is a key component of comprehensive financial planning. It's not just about securing your resources, it's about securing your peace of mind. It's a process that safeguards you and your loved ones from financial hardships that can arise from unexpected events like accidents, illness, disability, or even death. Think of it as a parachute. You hope you'll never have to use it, but it's comforting to know it's there just in case. Similarly, insurance acts as a financial buffer, helping you maintain your lifestyle and meet your financial obligations even when unforeseen circumstances strike. When faced with life's surprises, the last thing you want is to be burdened by financial worries. Insurance planning ensures you don't have to. It provides a cushion, enabling you to focus on recovery and rebuilding rather than financial survival. But remember, insurance planning is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Each individual, each family, has unique needs and circumstances. What works for one may not work for another. The goal here is to understand your financial situation, identify your risks, and then find the right insurance products to cover those risks. It's about understanding what you're protecting, your income, your assets, your family, and then ensuring you're adequately covered. It's about making smart choices today that will protect your tomorrow. So, let's start this journey of financial protection together. Let's delve into the world of insurance planning. Understanding the process, identifying the key steps, and learning how to make it work for you. Because, remember, insurance planning is not just about buying a policy, it's about understanding your financial situation, identifying your risks, and finding the right insurance products to cover those risks. Scene script. Insurance planning may seem complex, but once you understand the process, it becomes manageable. Let's start by breaking down this process into 5 simple steps. The first step is assessing your financial situation. This isn't just about how much money you have in the bank, it's about understanding your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's about knowing what you're worth and what you owe. It's about having a clear picture of your financial health. The second step is identifying potential risks. Life is unpredictable, and that's where insurance comes in. It's about preparing for the what-ifs. What if you fall sick? What if you lose your job? What if your house gets damaged by a storm? What if your car gets stolen? These are just a few examples of the risks we face in our day-to-day lives. Once you've identified your potential risks, the third step is understanding different types of insurance products. There's a wide range of insurance products available in the market, each designed to cover a specific type of risk. There's health insurance, life insurance, home insurance, car insurance, disability insurance, and the list goes on. Each of these products has its own features, benefits, and limitations. It's crucial to understand these details before making a decision. The fourth step is comparing insurance policies. Not all insurance policies are created equal. They vary in terms of coverage, premiums, deductibles, and other terms and conditions. Some may offer more comprehensive coverage but come with higher premiums. Others may be cheaper but offer limited coverage. It's important to compare different policies and weigh their pros and cons. Finally, the fifth step is buying the right insurance products. This is where all your assessment, identification, understanding, and comparison come into play. It's about choosing the insurance products that best suit your needs and budget. It's about making an informed decision and taking action. It's not just about buying the cheapest policy, but finding the right coverage that suits your needs and budget. Let's delve deeper into the key steps of insurance planning. First off, assessing your financial situation is critical. It's like preparing for a journey. You need to know where you are before you can map out where you're going. You should have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, liabilities, and assets. This will give you an idea of how much you can afford to pay for insurance premiums without straining your budget. Think of it this way. If you're a ship captain, you need to know the condition of your ship before you set sail. Is it sturdy enough? Does it have enough fuel? The same applies to your financial situation. You need to have a clear picture of where you stand. Next, it's essential to identify potential risks. This involves examining your lifestyle, health, occupation, and family history. You need to consider what kind of risks you're exposed to, and which ones might have a significant impact on your financial situation. For instance, if you're a construction worker, you're at a higher risk of getting injured at work compared to someone who works in an office. Therefore, you might need to consider disability insurance more seriously. Now, let's talk about understanding different types of insurance products. Insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. There are various types of insurance products available, each designed to provide coverage for different types of risks. Life insurance, for instance, offers financial protection to your dependents in case of your untimely demise, while health insurance covers the costs of medical treatments. Property insurance protects you against damage to your home or vehicle, and liability insurance covers legal liabilities. Imagine you're shopping for clothes. You wouldn't buy a winter coat if you live in a tropical climate, right? Similarly, you need to choose the insurance products that fit your needs. The fourth step is to compare insurance policies. Not all insurance policies are created equal. They might cover the same risks, but the terms and conditions, coverage limits, exclusions, and premiums can vary greatly. It's like choosing a restaurant. You wouldn't just walk into the first one you see without checking out the menu, prices, and reviews, would you? In the same way, you need to compare different insurance policies to ensure you're getting the best deal. Finally, it's time to buy the right insurance products. Once you've compared different policies, you can make an informed decision about which ones to purchase. It's like buying a car. You wouldn't just buy the first one you see. You'd test drive a few, consider your budget, and then make a decision. The same approach applies here. Now let's look at a scenario to bring it all together. Let's say you're a single 30-year-old woman who works as a freelance graphic designer. Your financial assessment might reveal that you have a stable income, minimal liabilities, and a decent amount of savings. The risks you identify might include potential health issues due to extended screen time and the possibility of losing income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. After understanding the different types of insurance products, you might decide that health insurance and disability insurance are the most relevant for your situation. You then compare different policies and finally decide to buy the ones that offer the best coverage at a price you can afford. Remember, the goal is to find the right insurance coverage that suits your needs and budget, not just the cheapest policy. Scene script. Insurance planning is an essential part of your financial planning. Let's take a moment to review what we've learned. Insurance planning is not just an afterthought, it's a necessity. It's a way to protect yourself and those you care about from any financial turbulence that life may throw your way. It's not about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. It's about taking control of your financial well-being and securing a stable future for yourself and your loved ones. We dove into the process of insurance planning, understanding that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a journey that begins with assessing your needs and risks, and ends with a plan that is tailored to your unique situation. It's about finding the right balance between your risk tolerance and your financial capabilities. We then zoomed in on the key steps of this process. We started with an assessment of your insurance needs. This is where you take a close and honest look at your financial situation, your dependents, your goals, and your risk factors. This gives you a clear understanding of what you need to protect and why. Next, we explored the different types of insurance available and how to choose the right one for you. Whether it's life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, or property insurance, each serves a unique purpose and offers distinct benefits. The choice should be based on what best suits your needs and circumstances. Lastly, we stress the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your insurance plan. Life is dynamic, and so are your insurance needs. Regular reviews ensure that your plan remains relevant and effective. In essence, insurance planning is a proactive approach to managing risks. It's a way to ensure that you and your loved ones are financially protected against life's uncertainties. Remember, insurance planning is about preparing for the unexpected. It's about protecting yourself and your loved ones from financial hardships. So start your insurance planning today and ensure a financially secure future.